Your legacy will continue to inspire, shape, and guide us to strive to deliver Icon Awards 2024. Your remarkable contributions have left an indelible mark on our world, and it's with great pride that we honor all of you, leaving a legacy that will stand the test of time. With deepest respect and admiration, welcome to the red carpet events of the Legacy Awards 2024 here at the exquisite ballroom of the New World Hotel Makati. Thank you and mabuhay.
And along with a good vibe, for the
All right, now it's our honor to introduce to all of you the Legacy Award in the overseas for almost 24 years.
currently based in Brunei Darussalam, working as an educator in the school opened the foundation of His Majesty the Sultan of Brunei.
He is also an entrepreneur.
He currently pursues his diploma in chorale conducting under the London College of Music, University working from that very school. Now, moving forward, presently the National Project Coordinator of the National Alliance of Teachers and Office Workers, a labor union federation.
Presently, Executive Vice President of the Jose Rizal University Faculty.
And our distinguished sponsors. First up, we got English Wellness and Beauty,
The Two World Traders Incorporated.
Global Strategy Real Estate Incorporated,
The Global Empire Manufacturing Corporation.
Intel Builders and Development Corporation,
Salveo Barley Grass.
Live Stream Diagnostic Clinic,
Diamond Lamp. Waco Art Care Solutions.
Through the Class Creatives,
Victor Paloma Construction.
R&SG Realty Services,
Beautiful Athens Aesthetics by Teresa Regulado.
thank you very much. And Development Corporation.
The president of Salveo Barley Grass is Rich Yanes.
Ms. Jonah Oporta, President and CEO of Diamond Lamp Bright OKC.
And Mr. Sherman De Leon Vidalio, General Mr. William Villa,
Ms. Rova Villa,
Mr. Benny Saturno,
Ms. Alms Fernandez,
Ms. Jamie Rivera,
Mr. Jiggy Manigay,
Mr. Alex Santos,
Mr. Ron De Los Jimenez, for the Legacy Award.
and it is our hope that all of us present here tonight experiences prosperity and good fortune.
You may now slice the cake. It's all about prosperity and goodwill. We are calling on the rest of our VIPs and veteran actresses. To our camera guys, hold on a second. We have more of them coming through. Thank you very much. There they are. Mr. Fred Webb. And now we are to distribute online. I'm a massive fan of Mr. Freddie Webb. He happens to be a basketball legend. As you know, one of the top choice competition. Thank you for being with us tonight. Once again, Mr. Freddie Webb. People from the respective tables may join us. Raise your glasses. Everybody say cheers. All right. Let's raise our glasses to vibrant health, thriving business, to the people's families and success, and becoming recalls
The first is the best friend of my grandmother. For those that do not know, I'm the eldest grandson of the former movie Queen Mila del Sol. And her best friend is here, Miss Marita Sobel. Welcome, Tita.
I am Maria Cecilia Ria Bravo. I'm the VP of Internet Builders and Investment. Kami ay contractor sa telecommunication. Para sa akin, and then of course sa mister ko and sa company namin. So very thankful kami sa legacy dahil I think this is the second year na na-inawardan nila kami. Ang feeling, siguro, lagi ko nga sinasabi, it gives you an inspiration and nag-challenge ka to be better para ma-influence mo yung iba to be like us. Minsan na, nagsisimula lang yan sa maliit pero lumalaki din after school. Thank you. Siyempre, Mr. I'm so lucky to have him at saka yung mga anak namin. Yan ang tunay na kayamanan. Pag masaya ka sa family mo, nag-i-exude yan. Kaya even sa negosyo, sa mga kaibigan mo, sa relatives mo, may pagmamahal kang mabibigay. Because in your own home, happy ka, fulfilled ka. Anytime, yes, diba? Pero yung time binibigay mo, yung pwede mo ma-share na kaalaman, malaking bagay yun. So yun ang legacy gusto mo maiwan. Na people would just love life. Kasi if you love life, you love everybody. And most of all, be thankful. Dahil lahat ng meron tayo, ay God siya nagagalit. Kaya yun lang ang lagi ko masasabi. For every challenge, bangon lang. Lahat yan kaya. Kasi nandyan sa atin ang family natin, nandyan si Lord, si God. To help us. Ano ko kayo dito sa gilid ng aking lahat?
How do you motivate your employees? How do you motivate them to work for the profit, but also for be a responsible member of the area?
Okay, in our company, we always say family. So if you're in a family, you want to contribute. At wala ka diyang aalisin. Wala ka diyang sasabihin na, kulang to. Pag kulang siya sa skills, kailangan i-motivate mo yan. Sabihin mo sa kanya, okay, let's educate you, may mga seminars. Pag may mga pagkukulang pagkakamali, i-correct mo yan. Kasi ganun ang pamilya. Hindi mo pwedeng dahil lang hindi siya kagad nakakapagpakita o sabihin na natin nakaka-share ng skills niya, wala na siyang silbi. Pakita mo sa kanya na he is important. And in our case, katulad sa company namin, we also offer and tell them na family is important. Kaya if they have to say na may mga activities sila sa family, consider namin yan. We let them give that time for them. We even encourage them to really travel. Kaya sa opisina namin, meron kaming package na ganyan. Pinapahiram namin so that they could travel. And at the same time, pagkasama kami na gumagastos ng mga ibang tours dun sa area. Like itong nakaraan sa Japan, nag-enjoy talaga sila kasi nakapag-Universal kami, tsaka Disneyland. Nakasakay pa kami ng bullet train. Lahat yun minana ng opisina yun. Ang parang kanila lang yung airfare at saka accommodation. But can you see the knowledge that they will see also by going outside? That is also very important. Nagkakaroon din sila ng confidence. So napakadaming bagay ang pwede mong i-explore just as long as you want to give it. Give it really.
As a very as a legend in the Philippines, what do you think are the traits ng Filipinos that make us successful sa buhay?
Okay, ang mga Pilipino, madali tayo matuto. Mabait tayo. Hindi tayo we are not afraid of harding work sa kanila. Your family. Give time to your family. Kasi alam niyo ba, than 200 ang employees namin. Imagine ilan yan ng mga scholars namin sa empleyado pa lang namin. Thank you. Nakahimik ko lang.
Morning to everyone. Since we are in telecommunication, ang goal talaga namin is magkaroon ng better line, better communication because we believe that if we can communicate with other people, if we could connect with our loved ones dun sa malalayo, marami tayong pwede ma-achieve, not just in business, pero unang-una muna yung pagbibigay ng love. Napakalayo ng nararating dahil iba ng communication natin ngayon. And we're happy that we are part of that. And through this, we wish and always want to work hard para we can achieve peace and understanding. Congratulations to all the winners. God bless.
Congratulations. Now, who will be our next awardee?
Our next awardee will be Rich Yanis, inspired business leader and entrepreneur.
Thank you
our hard work. So maraming salamat sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng Legacy Awards for recognizing each and everyone's hard work tonight. I will always feel blessed and grateful dahil yung trabaho po namin, we don't only entertain, but I know through our songs, through our movies, and through everything that we do, we bring a lot of joy to people. So that will always be a blessing for me especially. Masarap po na nagbibigay kami ng ligaya. So maraming salamat po for this award. Thank you very much.